In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to flatten a PDF with comments and annotations in Adobe Acrobat. Flattening your PDFs is an essential skill, especially if you often work with documents annotated with notes and highlights. It ensures that all comments and form fields become a permanent part of the document, making them non-editable and preserving your document's layout exactly as you've intended. First, let's dive into Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Once you have your PDF document opened, you'll want to direct your attention to the Tools section. Look for the Print Production tool. This tool is key in preparing your documents for printing or securely sharing them with others, since it offers advanced features specific to production readiness. So, once you've identified and clicked on Print Production, a panel will open up. In this panel, we're specifically interested in the Pre-Flight option. You'll see this as a button in the Print Production panel. By clicking on Pre-Flight, you're opening a dialog that allows you to access numerous checks and fixes for your document. But don't get overwhelmed by the many options available here. We're going to focus on just one critical function: flattening annotations and form fields. Now, this may sound technical, but it's actually quite straightforward. Within the Pre-Flight dialog, there's a search bar. You can simply type "Flatten Annotations and Form Fields" into this search box. This will help you quickly locate the right fix-up among the vast array of options presented. Once you've found the fix-up titled "Flatten Annotations and Form Fields," the next step is to select it. You should see an option adjacent to it labeled "Analyze and Fix." Go ahead and click on that. What you're doing here is telling Acrobat to run this specific process that embeds the annotations and form fields into the page content. Acrobat will take a moment to go through your document. During this brief process, it works behind the scenes to ensure all your stylish highlights, important comments, and any input in form fields become a seamless part of the PDF page content. This means that they're merged into the document itself, and you or anyone else will no longer be able to edit them using comment tools. This is particularly useful if you're sending the document for professional use or simply want to lock the current state of your input. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've secured your PDF, protected your annotations, and prepared it for sharing or archiving. This process not only preserves the integrity and intended display of your document, but also gives you peace of mind knowing that the valuable insights and information you've included are safe from further edits. Thank you for watching, and with these steps, flattening PDFs with comments and annotations has become a straightforward task in your toolkit.